So I stopped by Michael's the other day to pick up a few things, and I was excited to see that they have this really big Halloween section with lots of fun and spooky things. So join me as we check some of them out. They had these hanging ghosts and lots of different tabletop decor to choose from. I really like these items with the fun pop of neon colors. And how cute is this black and white skeleton pillow with the hanging legs? I'm like really into Halloween, so this sign is perfect. This fun pom-pom wreath with the spiders was another one of my favorites. These craft pumpkins are so versatile, you can either decorate them yourself or just use them as is. Pillows are such an easy way to decorate your home for different holidays, and look at all of these adorable Halloween ones they have. And these were two of my favorites. Welcome, witches! Who says tinsel's only for Christmas? It also makes for great Halloween decorations, like these tinsel cats and wreaths. And even tinsel witches' hats, pumpkins, and spiders. I was surprised to see so much hot pink incorporated into the decorations this year. I wonder if it has anything to do with the Barbie movie. I thought these neon lamps in Halloween shapes were really cool. And here's some more of that hot pink we talked about. A cat dressed like a witch? Count me in. Overall, I was just really impressed with their selection. I think Michael's is definitely going to be one of my go-to stores for Halloween decor going forward. Let me know what you think in the comments and subscribe for more shopping videos.